All right, man, so here is the deal. Sorry about this mess. I am reorganizing all of this, and I'm also packing for Florida, heading there for a few days. And when you're a YouTube content creator, you just stop everything just to create a YouTube video sometimes. And I did not have an unboxing planned for today, yet here we are. I'm kind of crazy in that regard. I just have to stop everything, even when it kind of delays the entire day. I just have to talk about sneakers or fashion at some point, pretty much every single day. This is my outlet. Subscribe if you're new. But anyway, this is an awesome pair of Airmax. These are an awesome pair of Airmax. They are some 97s, but they are not the shoe that we are talking about today. This is the wrong pair. Same box though. I actually like these old school Nike boxes. Some people don't like them. I think they're cool. Cherry 12s came in them. Clearly some Air Max 97s did. And then these guys. Also, this is probably one of the best Air Max sneakers that no one is talking about. I don't get it. Maybe it's because the hype hasn't caught on here. These are super popular in Europe, Australia, I'm sure other places. It's one of those models that has a cult following. I've been talking about them a lot. I'm hyped I got them, and let me tell you guys a little bit about them before you just click away, because this is an unboxing video. That's what people do. They just jump ship after they see the sneaker. No, hang out. Let me tell you why these are awesome as I enter this dark room here with a sneaker collection that has no direction at the moment. No, these are not all my pairs. I have a lot more in various different places, but I'm just trying to figure out the flow right now. But back to these guys. We've got the Nike Air Max Plus OG Voltage Purple. This is an original colorway that was designed to release in 1998. There's a bunch of different things about this shoe that you might not know that I'm going to tell you right now. This shoe first debuted in 1998. It was a Foot Locker exclusive. It's designed by Sean McDowell. There's inspiration all over this shoe. See those plastic overlays? Those are inspired by palm trees. You see the gradient colors, how it fades from white to purple, which I think is just absolutely fire. That's inspired by sunsets. In between these two air units, there's a shank plate, and it kind of looks like a whale's tail. That's because it is inspired exactly by that. This contains TN tuned air, as you can see by that branding on the back, and that's not a logo that Sean McDowell was too fond of, so he put it on the back of the sneaker to hide it. Nowadays, people are wearing this casually as a retro style. It's popular in the streetwear world, but it was originally released as a running shoe. You can see those reflective hits on the front. A lot of running shoes featured reflective logos on the back. These put it on the front where there could potentially be a car facing you. And then lastly, this Nike swoosh was actually something that appeared on this shoe for the first time. Sean freestyled this drawing. He was just etching it out, and he didn't know how to actually draw the Nike swoosh in the correct way. So it is a little bit longer and a little bit shorter than most of the Nike swooshes that they've been using. So there's just a few tidbits about this sneaker. Actually, let me just talk about the outsole real quick. See those little yellow pods right there? That is if you hit your medial side first when you're running. This is gonna provide you with more impact protection. There is more history and details that I could point out about this shoe, but obviously this channel is more so geared towards the fashion side of things. And I just gotta say that with a baggier pant style, that's what I've been rocking a lot recently, they work. They're a bulkier Air Max sneaker, and I think it looks good with some baggier sweatpants or some relaxed fit denim or chinos or straight fit. You know what I'm talking about. So let me know if you guys have gotten down with these TNs, the Nike Air Max Plus. This is absolutely an underappreciated sneaker model and colorway. If you want to cop a pair, they're linked for you down in the description. Again, make sure you subscribe. They fit true to size, a little bit more on the snug side. So if you're in between sizes, typically I'd go up a half a size, but if you stick with your true size, you should be good. If you've missed any of my other videos, make sure you go check them out. A lot more content on the way. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.